How's it? We are so glad that you showed up. We want to share our plant journey with you and how our cut. How's it? We're so glad that you made it. We want to share our plant journey with you and just how our love for plants has grown over the years. So sit back, enjoy, and we want to thank you for sewing up. Get it? Sewing up? Yeah.
Dai, arrivo.